Ready? Go. Fucking rudder's what gets me on that takeoff.
I mean, if that prop was to come off while you were up there, I think you'd be able to dead stick it in. But so it's a good thing it came off when it did. Leave it to pilot.
Whoa! Whoa!
Trying to cut the grass again?
That was a little too close. I just love the way it looks when it's coming in slow like